How to recover hacked Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and as you tap on Google Chrome, all you have to do is just tap on the search bar over here and search for Instagram support. As you do that, you'll be able to see the option of Instagram Help Center. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the search bar over here of how can we help you. So tap on the search bar and search for account recovery. So just search for this option, and as you search for account recovery, you'll get different options over here. Select the first one of lost access to email or phone number linked to Instagram account. As you tap on it, now you'll be able to see different options. So here on you can see the option of need help logging into Instagram. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, you can see under username and password troubleshooting, it says if you think your account has been hacked. So tap on the arrow down button over here, and here tap on this visit this page option. As you tap on visit this option, it will give you different options over here on why are you not being able to log in. So all you have to do is tap on my account was hacked and then tap on next, and here you just have to enter either your username, your phone number, or your email so that they can identify your account. So I'm just gonna mention the ID over here. So just mention my email ID. And then let's see. Then tap on next. And as you tap on next, it will take you to this login page again. So all you have to do is just tap on visit this page option yet again, and make sure that you have entered the correct email ID or the credentials over here. And as you do that, it will send you an instructions to your Gmail or preferred ID, and then you'll be able to recover your hacked Instagram account. So for that, you just need to verify yourself. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.